Hi, welcome to Marinemax Dallas. I'm Chris Harding, and today we're sitting on a 2018 Harris 220 Sunliner. So the Harris 220 Sunliner is about 24 feet long with the deck extension. It has a 13-person capacity, wraparound seating in the front, floor storage, nice portside bench seat, two really nice luxurious high-back captain's chairs for your fishing seats in the back. It's equipped with a 150 Mercury 4-stroke fuel-injected engine, ski tow bar, and a 4-step stainless steel ladder. The boat is also equipped with a fishing station with rod holders, livewell, actually has a changing room, and a place to store your drinks. So sitting here at the helm station, we have a really nice laid out helm. The 220 Sunliner comes equipped with a Simrad Geo 5 flush mounted GPS, chart plotter, sonar, everything you need for a day of fishing or even a day of just relaxing on the water with your friends and family. It also has a Fusion Bluetooth stereo, so you can stream all your music straight to the radio, or you can just use the FM AM as it's equipped. The helm is also equipped with dual USB ports, so you can, if you're not streaming your music, you can run it through the USB ports and charge your phone at the same time. Nice wood grain layout, GPS speedometer, tachometer, trim gauge, and some really nice rocker switches. As we make our way to the wraparound portion of the bow of the boat, both sides do have flip down armrests, really nice Chaise lounges that you can lay out on, great storage under every seat in the boat. So all 4 seats have storage, even up here in these nice large cushions. You'll have another live well. So this live well, you can use it for a live well, or you can use it for a cooler. It is insulated, so you can throw some drinks and some ice in there and keep your ice in there, or keep your drinks in there. Floor storage, lots of room, tubes, skis. It does have a bilge pump in it, so any water that gets down in there is going to be pumped out overboard. Great bench seating on the port side with storage under it, or you can throw a couple of trolling motor batteries in here for the addition of a trolling motor up at the bow of the boat. 2 high back helm seats are used for our fishing chairs. So we've got some luxury fishing seats, so you can sit back here and be comfortable all day long for a full day of fishing. So this boat is equipped with a nice changing room. So pop it out, change out of your bathing suit and some nice clothes to go for dinner on the water one evening. You've got a battery switch under here and also your batteries. This boat is equipped with a deck extension and a nice 4-step stainless steel ladder on the back. Rod holders, nice live well with a minnow bucket in it. So the 220 Sunliner is really, really well equipped for a full day out on the water. Thanks for joining me at Marinemax Dallas. You can give us a call at 972-436-9979 or stop by the showroom and see all the models that we have on display. Thank you.